Hey, Jordan, what are you cooking?
Well, here, come take a look.
So, Tristan's gonna be cutting up our vegetables today. How's that going?
Alright, so.
Okay, Jordan, what are you guys gonna be doing today? Making some meat. You guys are gonna cooking. Oh,
Cooking the meat, you know.
nice.
I mean, it's our specialty. We're cooking the meat. Whatever you do.
Oh.
Wow.
No.
You're so loud.
That's clean. That's smelling really good. I gotta say,
That's how you make it nice and saucy.
honestly, this is amazing.
And they're nice and diced
Here,
up.
this is for you
So
guys.
make it nice and saucy.
Cooking progresses. The onions are being chopped. How do you feel about this? Are you getting emotional?
Just no, they're not making me cry yet.
You guys just did that. Oh. Oh yeah, put those onions in. Mush it up. That looks delicious. Hey, the cooking's going so far.
I don't know. I'm not quite sure what Jordan's doing. He's wasting our meat right now.
You're wasting what?
Meat on the sink. Should I eat it?
No.
No, it's fully cooked.
Okay, but
Don't eat it.
do not do that. That's gross. That's so gross.
It's still in the sink.
The fact that he's gonna put that meat that was in the sink. You see that? There's some nasty things on there.
He's gonna put that in
our
the.
food to eat.
What are you thinking? Oh. How's it going in the kitchen?
Yeah, yo, it's kind of rough here, you know. The juices from this thing, so it's getting up in my face, getting up in my pores.
You really look exhausted. Yeah.
Yeah, yo, it's rough. It's rough. But, no, we're just trying to power through it. You know, come back the second half and make a big finish. You know what I'm saying?
Now that we've added
Is it up to a boil? If it's up to a boil, then you turn down the heat.
It just looks so good. Oh gosh. Oh,
That's a big ass knife. That's huge. Why don't you just use this one?
it's smaller.
Oh,
Than
this one's nice though. I like the feel on this knife. See it? Look at all diced, ready to go. Yes. It's the clear wrap, yo.
So these guys are saying that you can't put saran wrap in a microwave. Is that true?
It's not true. It's not true.
Can't.
You can.
No.
Man, it's really heating up in the kitchen. Are your eyes getting watery?
Yes.
Are you getting emotional?
It's very emotional. I just love tacos.
As we're nearing the end of making our tacos, how do you feel, Tristan?
Feel good. These tacos are gonna taste nice.
You wanna put everything over there?
Do you?
You don't need to film me for me asking a stupid question.
Wow.
I'm just getting the whoa.
Okay.
Here are some of our final ingredients.
Yeah.
Way too much.
Sour cream.
Way too much onions, but like.
Nah, what do you mean?
Way too much onions? Jordan, why would you cut so many onions?
If you're not gonna eat it, you don't have to put it in your taco. That's all I'm saying.
That is
Better
true.
have more than that. It's wasteful. Wait, how much? There's only 4 of us. What we're gonna start off with? The lettuce?
That's some lettuce.
Save the meat for sauce.
Oof, that's a lot of lettuce. It's a lot of.
You need some green. You need some that green color, you know. Come over here to the cheese.
Sprinkle that cheese. That was an artwork.
Do you like tomatoes?
I like tomatoes.
Let's set up a bit.
I think I'm gonna skip out on onions though, you know?
You not feeling onions?
No.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Another spoon? I guess.
No. No.
Just pour it out. I just poured it out.
And a final bit, just add some sour
And
cream.
then gallop was $1.
You're having some trouble there.
Is that good?
Yeah. How would you rate this taco?
Well, we're gonna have to, well, view, look wise, design wise. It's a good 4.5 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? We'll have to, the taste is next, so stay tuned. First plate.
Alright, so thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned something.
As you come to our videos, you know, we had a lot of fun making this food, and we hope that you had the same fun watching this video.
Yeah.
Trente, do you want to say something? No?
No.
Good job, guys.